Alright, so let's see what we have. Look at the oil pressure. I removed the belt just to make sure it wasn't any pulley or something. That's the noise I'm getting.